I found a very thick pine tree fallen down on the roadside. Top half was cut off. The root side portion, very thick, was remaining, still living, but completely fallen down, just at the side of the road. Then I noticed, intuitionally, this thing would not cut it. Then I found myself hurrying, running to a home center to get this stuff. It reads Power Made. Made by Tanaka, maybe. Tanaka is famous company, I think. Power Made, Tanaka. The problem is this cutting edge length. Nearly the same. 330. Maybe this chainsaw is 350. Anyway, as soon as possible, I need to make it move. The shopkeeper said to me, I need this mixed gasoline and chainsaw oil along with this thing. Not so pricey. $250. Inclusive. Everything. $250. Something like a single piece of Bug River knife. Cool stuff. Okay. Let's prepare. I need 30 centimeter diameter log at the thickest. This log is pretty thick. 30 over 30. 30. Okay. It is okay thickness. 30. Underside is wounded. So I need to start from here. Over there, a branch. So from here, yes, from here, I make a marker line. Next cut should be 50 here. No, not. Mission accomplished. Easy job. More than 1 or 2. If the diameter allows 30, difficult. Maybe one more piece. Anyway, this handy saw is very handy to make chair in this size. But for Western people, their gardens are huge, so you will not satisfied with this thickness. Anyway, to me, enough. Okay, bye bye.